Understood? So now let's understand the second example also. Here we have 96. Okay, we have to subtract 32. Okay, in 32, 2 at 1's place and 3 at 10's place. So it means from 96 we have to subtract 3 10s and 2 1s. So for subtracting 10s we move upward. Okay, so 96 is here. So we will move 3 steps upward because 3 10s we have to subtract. So let's count from here. After 96 we will count 3 steps. 1 2 3. So after moving 3 steps upward we will reach on 66. Okay, now how many ones we have to subtract? Yes students, how many ones we have to subtract in this? How many ones we have to subtract? Yes, yes, very good. So very good. So 3 tens, so we have already subtracted. For tens we move upward. Okay, 1. We will not count from here. On 96 we are already standing. Okay, we have to move 3 steps upward for subtracting 3 tens. So count from here. 86, 76, 66. Okay, so we will reach on 66. Now we have to subtract 2 ones. So for ones we will move on the left hand side. Okay, so how many steps? 2 steps only because we have to subtract 2 ones. So we are standing on 66. Let's count from 65. 65, 64. Okay, so after moving 2 steps on the left hand side we will reach on 64. So the required answer is 64 only. 96 minus 32 equals to 64. Okay. So student, for subtracting tens, where we move? Tell me. Yes.
Sir, we have to subtract tens.
For subtracting tens, where we move?
We move try to subtract tens.
First we have to subtract tens, yes, and then we have to subtract ones. So for subtracting tens we move upward from down to up. Okay, and for subtracting ones we move on the left hand side. Understood or not? Yes, Fatima Siddiqui. Fatima Siddiqui, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me how we subtract from the on the using number grid. For subtracting tens, where we move? For subtracting tens, where we move on the number grid? You are not audible. Aisha Shamim, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, where we move for subtracting tens?
What?
On the number grid where we move for subtracting tens. You people are not listening, no? Many times I told you that for subtracting tens we move upward on the number grid, and for subtracting ones, tell me.
What?
For subtracting ones, where we move on number grid? On the right hand side or left hand side? Yes, on left hand side we move for subtracting ones. Mahiba Mustafa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, tell me, when we subtract tens, Then where we move on the number grid?
Upward.
And for subtracting ones?
Left side.
Very good. So student, now come on page number 46. Some questions are there based on number grid, based on subtraction using number grid. So you have to solve these. On page number 46, exercise 3.6 is given. Question number 1 you have to do only. Okay, I will tell you question number 2 later on. So in question number 1 you have to subtract using the number grid. So one number grid is given down, wait for a minute. So student, you can do this mentally also, okay, without using number grid. You can do question number 1, okay, because it will take too much time to make number grid. Number grid is already there and down. You can see here number grid, okay, but you don't have to use color or mark anything. Don't mark anything here, okay. Just I am telling you. First one, listen very carefully. Everyone listen very carefully. Part A, 84 minus 40. Okay. From 84, we have to subtract 40. So first we will find out 84 on the number grid. Okay. So where is 84 here? Here we have. Okay, 84. So you have to put your finger on 84 and you have to count. Yes, how many you have to subtract? 40. 0 at 1's place and at 10's place what you have? 4. So how many times you have to move upward? Can you tell me? How many times you will move up?
Answer is 4. Sir, answer is 4. Sir, I can tell 4. 44. Sir, answer 44.
I'm not asking answer right now. Yes.
Sir, answer is 44. Yeah, sir, I am.
Listen carefully. So here we have to subtract 40, okay, from 84. 84 we have already found here on the number grid. 84 is here, okay. So yes, Laiba Khan has given correct answer. We have to move upward 4 times because here we have 4 tens, means we have to subtract 4 tens. So for subtracting tens we move upward, okay. So count 4 times upward from 74. We will not count 84 because we are standing on this, okay. So from A74 we have to count 4 times. 74, 64, 54 and 44, okay. So we will reach on 44. How many ones we have to subtract now? 0 ones, okay. So we will not move on the left hand side, just we will stand on here only. So the answer is 44, okay. 84 minus 40 is 44 only. Understood? So don't mark anything here on the number grid, okay, because this we have to use here also in this question. You can put your finger only, okay, and by using your finger you can count. Let me tell you part B also. 78 here Okay, so first we will find 78 on number grid. So where is 78? Here. So put your finger on 78 and you have to subtract 27, means 2 tens and 7 ones. So first we will subtract tens. So for subtracting tens we move upward. So 2 times we will move upward because 2 tens we have to subtract. So 1, 2. Okay, after moving 2 steps upward we will reach on 58. Now how many ones we have to subtract? 7 ones. So for 7 ones we will move on the left hand side. Okay, so count from 57. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 51 is the required answer. 78 minus 27 is 51. I hope you all have understood this. Or anyone having problem in this? If you have, you can ask.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so do rest of the parts by yourself. Arham Naeem Khan. Yes, unmute your mic, beta. Arham Naeem Khan. Yes, Arham. Unmute your mic quickly. Yes, Ashar Imtiaz.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood, beta?
आ गया बाहर गया नु क्या यार अभी
Yes.
No, sir.
You have not understood. So why are you not asking? Arham Naeem Khan, you also not have understood. Arham, your voice is not coming. So I am explaining you again question number 1. Okay, so you have to listen very carefully. Those who have not understood, I am telling again this thing. So look, question number 1, part A, 84 minus 40. Okay, so the bigger number is 84 here. So first we need to find out the bigger number on the number grid. Okay, so where is 84 on the number grid? Here. Okay, it means we have to start from 84. So now the second number is 40. We have to subtract 40. Okay, in 40 how many tens are there? 4 tens. And how many ones? 0 ones. So I told you when we subtract tens we move upward. Okay, so here you have to subtract 4 tens. It means you have to move upward 4 times. Okay, so you are on 84, so move upward 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will reach on 44 after moving 4 steps forward. Okay, now you have to subtract ones. How many ones? 0 ones. So we will not move on the left hand side because we have to subtract 0 ones only, so we will stand here only at 44. Okay, so 44 is the required answer here. 84 minus 40 is 44. Okay, question 2 also. Look here, part B, 78 minus 27. So this first number, the bigger number, you have to find out on this number grid 78. So 78 is here. So here you have to subtract 2 tens and 7 ones. So first we will subtract tens. So 2 tens we will subtract. So for 2 tens we will move upward 2 times. Okay. So 1, 2. Now you have subtracted 2 tens. Now you have to subtract 7 ones. So for subtracting ones we will move left side. So now we are on 58. So move 7 step on the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 51. You will reach on 51. Okay. So it means your answer is 51. I hope you all have understood now. Tell me quickly. For tens you have to move upward, and for ones you have to move the left hand side. Now tell Arham Naeem Khan. Okay. Yes, what about others? Have you all done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have done. Yes, sir. I have done. Sir.
Yes.
C24.
Which one?
C24.
Beta, we are doing question 1 only right now.
Question 1 C part.
Question 1 C part.
Sir, I have done.
Yes, in question 1 part C, 67 minus 43 is there.
Sir, I have done.
Okay.
Sir, I have done. Sir, I have done.
So in part C, 67 and minus 43. 67 minus 43. So first you have to find out 67 on this number grid. Where is 67? Here. Okay. So you have to subtract 4 tens first. So for 4 tens you have to move upward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 27 you will reach on 27. And now 3 ones you have to subtract. For 3 ones you have to move left side. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 67 minus 43 is? Yes. Part C, 67 minus 43. Yes, very good. 24. Okay, so student, now come on the next topic, which is estimating the difference. So we have already learned estimating the sum in chapter 2. In addition chapter we have already learned estimating the sum. Okay, now we will learn estimating the difference. Okay, so to estimate the difference we have to round off the numbers first. Okay, so do you know how to round off? Yes, everyone, do you know how to round off?
No, sir. Yes.
Beta, in second chapter I taught you this, how to round off the numbers. So let's see again. I'm sharing my whiteboard. let's say we have a number 45, let's say 43. Okay, so to round off this number, first we need to look the ones place digit. Okay, so if at the ones place digit the number less than 5 is there, okay, like 4 3 2 1, these digits are coming, or you can say you have to find out the ones place digit. If the ones place digit is like this 4 3 2 1, then you have to make ones place digit 0. At ones place digit you have to write 0, and the tens place digit will remain same. Okay, if at ones place the digit at ones place is 4 3 2 1, any of these, then what we do, we just make 0 at the ones place, and the tens place digit will remain same. Means 4 is there at tens place, so we will write only 4. Okay, let's take another example. 23, so 3 at ones place and 2 at tens place, so we have to round off this. Okay, so first we will look the ones place digit. Okay, so ones place digit is 3 here. Okay, it means it is less than 5. Okay, it is less than 5, so it means we will put 0 at ones place, and 2 will remain same. 2 we will write as it is. It means 23 is rounded to 20. Okay, after rounding of 23 we will get 20. Let's take another example. Here we have 5 and here we have 1. So at ones place it is less than 5. Okay, so we will round. What we will write at ones place? Yes student, if 1 is there at ones place, what we will write at the ones place to round off this?
Sir, 0.
0. Very good.
0. Sir, 0.
No beta, why we will write 3 here? What I told, if the ones place digit is less than 5, okay, if the ones place digit is less than 5, then we write 0 at ones place. We will make it 0. Okay, and the tens place digit is will remain same, means 5 is there, so we will write only 5. Okay, when we write 0 at the ones place, when the ones place digit is 4 3 2 1. Okay, at ones place these digit you will see 4 3 2 1, then you will put at ones place 0, and tens place will remain same. Now I will tell you, if the ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, 5 or more than 5, if the ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, then how we will round off the number? So look here, let's take example. We have to round off 45. Okay, so first listen, Harish Kamar, first listen carefully. Here we have 45, we have to round off this number. Okay, so to round off this number we will look the ones place digit. Okay, so what is at the ones place digit? 5. 5 is there at ones place. So in this case, what we will do, we will write 0 at the ones place. In this also we will write 0 at the ones place. Okay, in both the condition, if the digit at ones place is less than 5, then also we put 0 at ones place, and if the digit is 5 or more than 5 at the ones place, then also we will put 0 at ones place. But in this condition, if the digit at ones place is 5 or more than 5, we will add 1 in the tens place digit. Okay, so here we have 4 at tens place, we will add 1 in this, so 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, so 45 is rounded to 50. Let's take another example. Here we have 67. Okay, so the ones place digit is more than 5. Okay, this is more than 5 or greater than 5, so you have to round off like this. At ones place you will write 0. Okay, and it means 7 becomes 0. Okay, and this in 6 we will add 1, so if we add 1 in 6, it will become, yes, tell me students.
Sir, 7.
7, very good.
Sir, 7. Sir, 7.
7, we will add 1 in this, so 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so after rounding of 67 to nearest 10, so we will get 70. Okay, 67 is rounded to 70. I hope you all have understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
Time is also going to finish. So there are two conditions. Okay, students, for rounding a number there are two conditions. So you have to look the ones place digit. If ones place digit is less than 5, if you see at ones place 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if at ones place digit are like this 1, 2, 3, 4, then we will not add 1 in tens. Okay, but if ones place digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, then what we will do, we will add 1 in tens digit. Okay, if the digit at ones place is like 5 or 6, 7, 8, 9, so then you have to add 1 in the tens place digit, and ones place digit will remain 0. Okay, will become 0 in both the condition. Understood? Now
no, sir. Sir, I have understood. Yes.
Now those who have not understood, write the name in chat box. Yes, Sobia. Unmute your mic, Sobia.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's do question 1 quickly. Listen carefully because time is also going to finish. Okay, so question number 2 is estimate the difference estimate the difference. So student, what is difference? I told you difference is the answer in subtraction is called difference. Okay, so first one is 37 minus 18. Okay, so first of all we have to round off these numbers. So 37 is rounded to, yes, at one's place 7 is there, which is more than 5. Okay, so we'll put 0 at one's place and we will add 1 in this tens. So 3 plus 1, 4. So 37 rounded to 40, then 18. So in 18, 8 is at one's place, okay, which is more than 5. So when the digit at one's place more than 5, what we do? We add 1 in the tens place digit. So tens place digit is 1, so add 1 more in this, so it will become 2. And at one's place, in both the conditions, 0 is there. Okay, so now you have rounded 37 to 40 and 18 to 20. Now you have to subtract it. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 2 is 6. Sorry, I have added it. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so 40 minus 20 is equals to 20.